awakens the natural light of the skin and fill it with fresh and lively beauty. Brightening care solution for flawless and luminous skin like snow. ATOMY Absolute Snow. ATOMY Absolute Snow encompasses extraordinary standards. Skin science. Enables fundamental skin brightening through the application of an 8-step skin science mechanism of ATOMY Absolute Snow. Brightening active ingredient. Outstanding active components from ATOMY Absolute Code to Peonia Luminar fill the skin's light and make it brighter and cleaner. Day and night, all-day professional care. It is subdivided into day and night configurations, enabling more professional and effective brightening care. Home derma brightening care that you can do professionally at home. Experience luminous skin by everyday routine of using 7 types of snow. ATOMY Absolute Snow Toner. Mild snow toner containing winter-green leaves. Refreshes and brightens the skin by gently managing dead skin cells and sebum. ATOMY Absolute Snow Serum. Reflector snow serum that makes the skin shine softly. It penetrates the skin quickly and evenly with a fresh and light sense of use to boost the luminous skin. ATOMY Absolute Snow Dark Spot Corrector. Snow Dark Spot Corrector with 7 herbs extract from the Alps. Effectively brightens to focus on the areas you are concerned about by relieving from light to dark spots. ATOMY Absolute Snow Day Cream. Snow Day Cream that protects the foundation of skin. Water drop cream that quickly permeates the skin by bursting the moisture as soon as it's applied. ATOMY Absolute Snow Night Cream. Snow Night Cream that brightens and recovers skin by the nourishing effect of essential oil. Effectively improves damaged skin elasticity and foundational skin condition via core whitening ingredients, collagenere. ATOMY Absolute Snow Facial Mask. Brightening that soothes irritated skin. Snow Facial Mask. A premium brightening mask that soothes the skin with a brightening effect of high-content core ingredients by absorbing key ingredients more actively into the skin with elastic fabric. ATOMY Absolute Snow Tone-Up Essence Sun. Protects skin from both UV and blue light. Snow Tone-Up Essence Sun. Snow protects the skin 360 degrees tight and implements a clear tone-up effect. The efficiency proven by clinical trials indicates the excellence of the product. After using 5 types of snow for 4 weeks, skin melanin decreased by 21.43%. It is confirmed that dark spots, blemishes, and freckles have improved by 15.94%. All 7 single products of ATOMY Absolute Snow have been scientifically proven to be effective through clinical trials. Feel the beauty of the white floral note that resembles nature. Brightening solution that awakens the natural light of the skin. ATOMY Absolute Snow.